Welcome back to Summit Railway and to the main station area. As I was building this stone curb, I've decided to add another track right here. And today is the day. I've got all the track material, I've got the switches, and we are going to add this track here and a missing track right here. So that will be the project of today. Up here I am going to tie in the existing rail, and here will be the additional track up to this point, and that will be a siding. So let's do it. Alright, that was easy enough. I changed this track with this switch and a little piece of track which I cut to the right length. And now I can start bending my tracks in this long curve to join the switch up there. And that's what we're gonna do next. So, off camera I did a little bit of fine-tuning so that those two tracks are parallel to each other. And now we are working up here. This switch is at its final position and I need to bend a track which fits in right here. And with those last screws tightened, we are done for today. So have a look. Additional switch and additional track is in place. It's nice and parallel to all the other tracks. Yeah, that looks great. There is an additional 2 switches to connect to the prior tracks. We've got a nice long siding here and a siding there, and this track got installed today as well, so that I can place the locomotive shed right at the end of that. But that will be in the future. With those last tracks installed, this station area is finished regarding track laying. Of course, we have to work on platforms and buildings and wiring for all the switches and future signals, and that's coming up next. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and we will see us in the next video. Bye!